Hi students, we are discussing now exercise 10.4, fifth question. Three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meters drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and distance between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meters each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? This is question number 5. See here now, three girls are sitting in a circular park of radius 5 meters. This is a circle where with center O and three girls who are those Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, three are sitting. So one is Reshma and another one is Salma and another one is Mandeep, which are at equidistant. They are sitting equidistant. So from R to S, Reshma to Salma and Salma to Mandeep, the distance is 6 meters and this is OR is the radius, OM is the radius and OS is also radius. So we are joining OR and OM. Now join RM. RM distance you have to find out. R, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, where O is the center of the circle. So to prove what is given in the question, that is, you see here, OR is equals to OS is equals to OM is equals to radius of the circle, which is equals to 5 meters. Next, RS is equals to SM is equals to 6 meters. Distance between these two. We have to find out RM distance is equals to question mark. Observe now, RM is a chord and O is the center of the circle. That means we observed from 10.3 theorem, from 10.3, OM is where it is meeting, locate a point C on OS where it meets RM. So this point we are locating as C. Now we know that from center of a circle to the chord, it bisects the chord and it is perpendicular. So bisects the chord. So OC and even in triangle, you observe it. In triangle ORM, it is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ORM is isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle, median and altitude, they both lie on the same point, as well as that, and O is the center of the circle. From center to the chord, it bisects the chord. So OC, that means OC, it is isosceles triangle. OC is the perpendicular bisector of RM. Means which divides into two equal parts and as well as it makes 90 degrees. So we can write RC is equals to MC. Next, draw perpendicular now draw OA. Observe it. Here I am taking OA perpendicular to RS and OB perpendicular to SM. Draw OA perpendicular to RS and OB perpendicular to SM. Even no need to draw OB perpendicular to SM. RS is equals to SM, the distance we know. Now you see, in triangle ORA, if RA is a perpendicular from center to the chord, observe it, from center to the chord, if you draw a line, it bisects perpendicular. That means RA is equals to SA is equals to 3 meters. Why? As it is a perpendicular from center to the chord, if you draw the perpendicular, it bisects the chord. That means RA is equals to 3, which is equals to SA 3 meters, and similarly even SB is equals to BM is equals to 3 meters. Now in triangle ROA, according to Pythagoras property, RA square is equals to OA square plus RA square. Observe it, OR square. This is the hypotenuse. RO square is equals to OA square plus RA square. What is RO? That is a radius. So phi square is equals to OA. That we don't know. OA square plus RA. That is RA is 3 square, which is equals to 25 is equals to OA square plus 3 square is 9. Transpose this side. Then 25 minus 9 is equals to OA square. Then where OA is equals to, so OA square is equals to 16 and OA is equals to root 16. We consider OA is equals to 4 meters. So O to A distance is 4 meters. Observe it now carefully. O to A is equals to 4 meters. O to A is equals to 4 meters. Are you following? Now, as OA is equals to 4 meters, now we are using the concept of, in spite of triangles another by RHS and similar triangle, other triangles congruence criteria. Now I am going to teach by using the area of the triangle. So area of triangle ROS, area of triangle ROS is equals to, what is the formula we have? Area of triangle ROS. This triangle we are going to find. So area of triangle ROS. As we know, base is R and OA is perpendicular. That is the height. Observe it carefully. Half into base into height. Half into base into height. Which I am taking here. Half into, what is the base of the triangle RS? RS I am taking into height I am taking as OA. OA distance we got here 4. So half into, what is RS? That is 6 into 4, which is equals to 2 1s are 2 2s are. Are you following? RS is 6 and 6 2s are 12 meter square. So area of triangle ROS, area of triangle ROS is equals to 12 meter square. Now what I am doing, the same area, now I consider RC as just now we discussed. RC is equals to MC and OC, OS you can say as OC is a perpendicular. OC, observe it, OC is perpendicular. Here I wrote in triangle ROM, you can write isosceles triangle. OC is a perpendicular bisector of RM. If it is a perpendicular bisector, as OS is the radius, here one more point we write, and OS is the radius, that means here you can write OS is perpendicular to RM. OS is perpendicular to RM. That point also you can add. Now what I am taking? I am taking the another, one is the base and another one is the height for the same triangle. Now you see, in triangle, now ROS. Now if I consider area of triangle ROS, area of triangle ROS is equals to half into base into height. The area remains same. I am taking the same triangle, but now I am taking this as the base and this as the altitude, as RC is the perpendicular. This one. Okay. RC is the perpendicular. I am taking as base as OS. So which is equals to half into base OS into height RC. What is the area we got here? 12. 12 meter square. Now half into OS we know that is 5. Half into OS is 5 is the meters radius, which into RC is equals to 12. Observe it carefully. 12. Next 1 into 5. 5 by 2 into RC is equals to 12. Then transpose this side. RC is equals to 12 into 2 by 5, which is equals to 24 by 5. If you divide 24 by 5, then the decimal form is 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40. So 4.8. So RC is equals to 4.8 meters. If RC is 4.8, what do we write here? RC is equals to MC. That means RM we have to find out. RC is equals to MC. RC is equals to MC is equals to 4.8 meters. So now we have to find out RM, which is equals to 2 times of RC. So 2 into 4.8, which will give you 9.6 meters. So distance between Reshma and Manideep. Reshma and Manideep is 9.6 meters. So here, in spite of using the congruence criteria, I am using a different way, finding area of the same triangle and equating, then we got the distance as 9.6 meters. I hope it is clear to you.